Hey guys, this is Airsoft 866 and today we have an unboxing for you guys. And I bought this box from Airsoft Megastore, but I'm not going to tell you what's in it because I already know what's in it. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm just using a regular knife. Oh man. It's like a little dull, but it's okay. And let's open this side. Open this box. Take the paper. This is, I think it's order form. Yep. But let's get to the smaller things. But I bought myself a ultra fast IC2 smart charger. It's going to be needed for this one because I don't have one, and it's so I don't overcharge the battery or break the battery. But yeah, that's that. An extra magazine for this gun, high cap. And let's get to the gun, shall we? Get this box out of the way. And as you see, this is the AK-47DE. And let's open this. Oh man, this is amazing. This is, let me just get this out of the way for you guys. This is the manual. Let's open this. The plastic. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this out of there. Unwrap this. I always wanted an AK for Airsoft. I mean, this gun looks pretty sick. But this gun fires about 365 FPS. Maybe a 400. That's what it says on the website. Let me just cut that open. Get this bull crap out of here. Let's just take this gun out of the package. It's full metal too, so get this gun out. Oh man, it's a little heavy. This package is about like 10 pounds. Oh yes, look at this. Oh, amazing. Oh, baby. Let's put, it's already like battery charged, but not full. And this is the high cap. Put this sucker in. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna hold this. And put that in right. There we go. Put full auto on. Oh man, dude, this gun's good. As you can see, let me bring this up close. So I don't think it's blowback, but it has a adjustable hopper. And yeah, it comes. Let me see what else this gun comes with. It comes with a cleaning rod, a sling, of course, let's get this battery charger, some extra tools, sample of .20 gram BBs, and some safety goggles. So that's it for, let me just open this. Almost forgot about the smart charger. The smart charger, if you don't know what it is, like I said, it charges things for you, so you don't have to, like, say if you want to like go out and you want to charge it and you don't want to overcharge it, you just plug this into the wall and it will charge so it doesn't overcharge. And let's take this out, the package. Let me bring this up to the camera. you can't see this light right here, this light will light up red when it's like charging, and then when it's all set, it'll turn green and then it'll shut off. So that's why I bought it. So that's it for today. This gun costs about like $78. It's a nice AK. I love this thing. I'll be making a shooting test with this thing when like the future, maybe like, I don't know, maybe when it's not raining and snow on the ground. But yep, that's it for today. And yeah. Oh, my ZM51 and Z21, that I've been getting a lot of feedback on. It's a pretty good sniper rifle, and thank you guys for that. And yep, don't forget to subscribe, and hope you enjoy this Airsoft unboxing. Thank you.